நான் 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி காலேஜ் படிக்கும்போது ஸ்டெம் செல் டொனேஷன் பத்தி தாத்ரிலேருந்து வந்து சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. நான் அப்போவே ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். அத பத்தி எனக்கு டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எதுவும் தெரியல. 2 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் இப்போ வந்து ஒரு 10 வயசு குழந்தைக்கு ஸ்டெம் செல்ஸ் டொனேட் பண்ணணும்னு வந்து என்ன கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. எங்க வீட்ல வந்து அத்தை, மாமா கொஞ்சம் தயங்குனாங்க. ஆனா என் ஹஸ்பண்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட்டிவா இருந்தாரு. அவங்க அத்தை, மாமாவெல்லாம் கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணி ஓகே சொல்ல வச்சுட்டாங்க. நான் இப்போ ஸ்டெம் செல் டொனேஷன் பண்ணிட்டேன். எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்குது. ஒரு குழந்தைய காப்பாற்ற முடிஞ்சதுல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்குது.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Kumbhar, computer science graduate, currently working with Google as a business acquisition manager. And one day, out of nowhere, we got a call from Raghu, who is part of Datri organization. And he said, your DNA or you're match for one patient who is cancer patient and that patient needs you. Initially, I thought why he selected me. So I had lots of questions. But when I met Raghu, he took me to BLK hospital. He introduced me to Dr. Dharma. Dr. Dharma and Raghu, they introduced me to some cancer patients. I saw them. They told me that some of the cancer patients, they have less than 3 months of time in their hand, less than 6 months of time in their hand. I actually went through their pain. I saw what they suffer and their life. And then I realized I am unnecessarily making this is a big deal or making a scene out of it. They were just asking for some stem cells which are anyways in extra way in my body. They were just asking part of it. I realized it's a very normal cause that I need to be part of. And then I decided to donate my stem cells. It's a simple process. To tell you honestly, it's as simple as blood donation process. They just take some stem cells out of your blood and then they pour rest of the blood from other hand into your body. It's a 4-hour process. So if a normal blood donation will take just 15-20 minutes, it will take 4 hours and that's it. You won't feel any pain. There is no extra effort required from you. The way Raghu is making me feel special about the whole process, I am actually little bit overwhelmed by the response by everyone. Today I met the patient as well. I felt really special. Till now I just felt I haven't done anything or it's ordinary work and I was back to my normal life or back to my day-to-day job. But today I realized I could save one child or I could save one life, and the joy of saving life or giving life is really special or really extraordinary. I would like more and more people to come out of their day-to-day work, go to hospitals, get aware about the cancer patients and the treatment and the whole process, and start donating because it's very important. Today India has everything: infrastructure, hospitals, doctors. We produce more than thousands of doctors every year. But if you look at basic benefits or facilities to poor person or to a normal person related to cancer, India still has nothing to do with it. I would like to request all people to participate with Datri organization or to come forward and start donating more and more. They should be aware of the whole process, the cancer treatment, how patients are suffering in India, because in India we have all the infrastructure ready. We have hospitals, we have doctors, but unfortunately we don't have donors. And we want people like you or more and more people to come forward, work with people like Raghu and Datri, and take India to the global map in terms of stem cell donations.
I registered with Datri a few years ago when I first moved to Bangalore. And then I got matched a few weeks back. I was totally conned into it. I was told there was going to be pizza. I never got pizza. Even today, no, it was extremely straightforward. This is actually the second time I got matched. The patient that I had matched in California the first time actually did not make it through, died of complications. And even before I could do the transfusion. So it was unfortunate. I think it's a very simple process and everybody should register. It's for the recipient, it can be a life-changing event. For you, it's just sitting around for 3-4 hours, traveling to Electronic City. I guess that's painful, but not too bad.
This is Funny Bhushan. Let me tell you my story regarding this. So I think Datri, they had connected a campaign in our campus Infosys. Okay, let's see and let's go and see what it is exactly. So we visited and there were some ladies. I think Gayatri was there at the time. So maybe with few other ladies, I guess. So they were explaining it's about cancer treatment and it's just a campaign to register. It's very similar to what it is exactly. Your blood group is something else. So they did some stem cell thing that everybody knows. So we just registered that. So after later on, some few weeks back, I just got a call from a lady called Janagi. So no, exactly, it is what it is exactly. So she was like, you remember we had a campaign in Infosys? Oh yes, I do remember that. So here there is a necessity to donate your stem cells. Actually, one boy with 1 year old is suffering from some blood disorder. So the boy, his stem cells has to be replaced with exact stem cells. So your stem cells has got matched. So will you be able to donating it? Is that comfortable to you? I straight away said yes, but and she was like, let me tell you the procedure, what exactly it is. So you need to take some 5 injections before the exact donation day. And the donation may take some 3 to 4 hours time on that day especially. So I was like, no, a lady calling up and asking you to donate, we will be giving some injections. So how can I? So I was like, okay, I'm quite comfortable on the humanity grounds. So I will be, and in fact, I had donated some blood earlier in my life. So I'm straight away okay, but I need some questions. I mean, I need that to be answered. So she was like, okay, it's quite fine. I mean, we'll take an appointment with Mr. Sunil Bhatt, sir. So we'll go ahead and whatever you feel like asking, you can ask and let your questions be cleared. So on the same day itself, she took me to the Narayana Hrudayalaya hospital and we met Dr. Sunil sir. And initially I was like, I told the same, sir, I am by nature a guy like I don't enter into a gray area without knowing each and everything. So maybe I will pose you so many questions, please bear with my questions. So they were like so encouraging and so supportive. And he explained me each and everything, how it goes, what exactly it is, what exactly the stem cells are. Dr. Sunil has helped me a lot. He explained each and everything starting from the basics, what exactly the stem cell, it is a renewable source, everything. So after the discussion, it was about some half an hour. So during the discussion, he told me, he just gave one sample, okay, recently a case. So in his laptop, he just opened one draft, one word draft. From left side, it's a recipient, right side, it's a donor. A donor of age 2 years old of 10 kg has donated his stem cells to his own brother who was born 10 days back. So it was like, that was the moment it got influenced me a lot. A 2-year-old with a 10 kg has donated stem cells. Why can't this 25-year-old with 77 kg? Okay, that is what I felt at that moment. Immediately after the discussion, the only word I uttered is amazing. I don't know about it. Maybe I'm not a biology student. So I said amazing and yes, I'm donating. By the discussion, I got to know that stem cell matching itself is a very rare scenario. And the second thing is they do told about some short-term side effects, but I never bothered about that. I bothered about the final result. Okay, this is what the final result gonna be. Let me experience these small side effects. Before, I mean, in front of that final result, these are nothing. These are negligible. Let's go ahead. Let's experience that.
Srinal Patel. I'm living in Ahmedabad, and this experience is a very good, fantastic, and it's a very good opportunity to save one's life. My experience is a good. Actually, I have a doubt, some doubts for this process. That's why I'm concerned. I contact with my family doctors and very specialist in Ahmedabad, and they tell me that this process is very safe. That's why I'm agree with it. After that, I'm doing this donation. I'm going for a master checkup for that. When I'm agree, and after that I'm donate this.